Isicelo sikaMboro sebheyili sachithwa kanti bekulindeleke ukuthi kuqale ukuqulwa kwecala lakhe. Kodwa lokho kuphazanyiswe yisimangalo esifakwe umbuso nothe aweneme ngendlela imantshi esingatha ngayo leli cala. Yacela ukuthi ihoxe kulo. Imantshi ikhipha isinqumo kulesi simangalo isichithile isicelo se-NPA ngelithi ayichemile kulolu daba ngoba ngisho isinqumo sayo sokwenqabela uMboro ibheyili besivuna i-NPA hayi uMboro.
The application for my recusal is hereby dismissed.
Icala libe seliqhubeka njengoba uMboro efuna ukuphosela inselele ukwenqatshelwa kwakhe ibheyili. Abameli bakhe bathi uMboro wayephethe isibhamu sethoyizi ngosuku lwesigameko futhi umbuso unephutha ngokufaka leli cala ngaphansi kwamacala abucayi asuke ebhekene nababulali uSchedule 5.
2 times assault. It's not a Schedule 5, Your Worship. Pointing of a firearm, Your Worship, is not a Schedule 5. In fact, I would argue there was no firearm.
Umbuso uthi ubufakazi obulethwe enkantolo abameli bakaMboro abunayo into ephathekayo.
The state is of the view that it is a Schedule 5 offense. There's 2 rifles.
Isinqumo sigodliwe.